Hey, how's everyone doing? Just got done watching the Jeep. Doing a quick update on this project. We got a couple things accomplished on it. We got a Smittybilt frameless soft top and a cheapo Pioneer stereo radio from Crutchfield. Yeah, we're starting to get into action here. Take a look at it. Got my truck up here. My overflow parking. So this is the roof. Not too bad. I actually like this. This turned out to be a lot better than I thought it would have been. There we go. Yeah, I'm real happy with it. It was kind of a bear to put on when it was new. I've had it for about, I would say 2 weeks now, maybe 2.5, going on 3 weeks I've had it on. Yeah, be honest with you, this roof, you could honestly drive this thing year round. You don't even need a hardtop with having one of these. It's pretty decent quality. I liked it anyways. I like the slant back on it. I like the fact that the windows were tinted. Yeah, fits on nice. That's sticking out right there. But that's because I was about to pull all the windows off it right now. I said I'd make a quick video on this since it's clean. So yeah, not bad. I probably got about $500 invested into this top. I think the top itself with all the windows was like $280. I had to buy the header and the rear bar that goes across the tailgate. I forget how much those were. And I bought 2 used door surrounds. That go, you can't really see because this is tucked into it, but right here, these are door surrounds that go down here. I got 2 used ones off eBay for $90. So all said and done, after I bought everything, you're looking at about $500. Yeah, definitely happy with this. Really nice. I'm about to take all the windows off and everything. Oh, let me show you the radio. All right, let's take a look at it. I hope I got my keys. Hold on, let me get my keys. It's all wet still. Yeah, so here we go. Haven't gotten the paint or the carpet or the center console yet. Let's take a look here. That's the radio. It's a Pioneer. I can't read it. It was like $94 altogether with the installation kit. It was $94 on Crutchfield, and it does a lot. It has this thing will shut up. Has Bluetooth telephone. Microphone's up there, ran it down there. It was really easy to install. Okay. Yeah. And there we go. It'll start up on its own. It does it either wirelessly or through Bluetooth. So when you put the wire on, it automatically goes to the wire, but when you're running Bluetooth without the wire, then yeah, it switches automatically back and forth. Pretty good stuff here. Let's see. Let's go here. Uh-oh. That was navigation. Like I said, I just put this in yesterday, so I'm not really familiar with it yet. Oh, that just switched to radio. So you can go up and down. You got presets. Oh, I just put it to a preset. Let's see. Okay. I've still got to learn it. That's what it comes down to. You got radio, auxiliary, Bluetooth. I have my Amazon Music on here, and I also have my iTunes on here. So I'll automatically click on. See how long it takes. If you want to make a phone call, all you do is just hit the button, then talk. It does everything for you. So I don't know about no Jonas Brothers here, but anyways, yeah. Amazon Radio comes in good. I don't have anything set to it yet, but yeah, real happy with that. One feature I like is if you want to go right to navigation, you just hit this button, boom, and it goes right to navigation. Pretty good, huh? And if you want to go back, you just hold this in. Bam, right back. Yeah, so definitely pretty good stereo right here. You know? You want to hit something, you just hit that. Yeah, I could definitely use some what do you call it, speakers on here. Now that I got this done, I got two in the front on each corner of the dashboard right here behind that grill, and I got these up here, two of them. So that'll probably be in the near future. Oh, one thing I forgot to show you, the roof of the this Smittybilt soft top. I like all this. Perfect sort. Since I don't have a center console, this works out nice. Put wallet in there. I was carrying my phone. You can put stuff up here. Yeah, really nice. Really nice, really good quality roof right here for the money. And like I said, you could drive this year long. No problem. That's the header I had to buy. Yeah, and I noticed one thing with it, as far as driving around with the soft top versus the hard top on here, it definitely feels a lot lighter, the Jeep. It feels a little bit nimbler, and it doesn't rattle as much. I guess the hard tops, they make, I'm not going to say they rattle, but they make a little bit of a noise. I don't know. I can't explain it. But then again, mine didn't have any of the rubber weather stripping in the back or anything like that either. I didn't find that out until I pulled the hard top off. So anyways, there you go. So I'm going to end the video right here. And then, yeah, let me pull off the all the windows on this thing, and we'll go from there. Alrighty. So hold on. All right, we're back. Got the top off. Took all like 5 minutes. Yeah, real nice. Nice and sturdy. Came with the 3 sleeve bags and put all your windows in so they're not touching each other. Fold them up, put them in. I'll put that in my garage when I get home. Yeah. Real nice. I like it a lot. Yeah, so there it is. Next step, carpet and center console, and I'm going to get a set of tube doors for it. Something cheap for under $200. Because I was looking at the prices on them. They want $400, $390, almost $500 for a set of tube doors. That's ridiculous. So one of the cheaper sets. I've seen them as low as $129, but I'd like to retain the handle right there, so I don't have to use a locking pin. But we'll see. Whatever the cheapest is. Yeah, she looks pretty good. Drives good with the top off too. I like it. A little windy, but yeah. One thing I wanted to add here. I was getting a check engine light for the Evap system. And when I bought this Jeep, it didn't have this cover on it. It's one of those cheap eBay ones. I think I paid like $15, $25, something like that. It was real cheap. And at any rate, yeah, so I had to keep on resetting the codes for that. It'd come on every once in a while. Not a lot, but only when it rained, I guess I should say. And so what I was figured was that, because this was all open, and then the cap was right there, maybe rain was getting in, I don't know. So I put this thing on here, about a month ago. I haven't had the check engine light for the fuel system come on at all. So, something to keep in mind if you got one of these. I got the mirrors relocated up here. They were on here, but I put them up here. I bought these brackets, like 20 bucks, 15 bucks. So when I take the doors off, I don't have to mess with that. Then when I put the hard top back on in the wintertime, I'll just remount them back onto the doors here. It kind of looks dorky with them mounted right there, but that's all right. So yeah, so here's the inside. And I still might get a bikini top for this. I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The old Jeep is coming along. Really looks a lot better than when I got it back at the end of December of last year. Real happy with it. I've been driving this thing daily for the past 2 months, almost every day exclusively. And yeah, runs flawless, runs great. Gets great gas mileage. I get between 17 and 20 miles per gallon in it. Yeah, the heat was working great, so that was good when we got that fixed. Yeah, and that's it. So I'm gonna end this here because this is getting long enough. And yeah, next video, who knows, maybe tube doors on it. Maybe carpet and center console. I mean, we're getting pretty much to the end as far as what I'm gonna do to this. Yeah, it's good enough. And these tires are brand new on it, the way I bought them. So I was looking at, you know, the 15-inch, 31-inch tires. You buy the whole package, the black rim with the holes in them, steel rims. You get them for about $1,000. BF Goodrich TKOs, 2s. Rims and tires, I forget from where. Maybe it might have been $1,200, something like that. I was thinking about doing that, but I got brand new tires on here. They're Mastercrafts. They're not exactly the best, but I don't know. We'll leave them on here for now. I think I spent enough on this. So the top is what I didn't like buying. I looked for used. Buying used ones, they were still with the frame, so you could just fold it right down. The cheapest used was like $500–600. They were junk, you know what I mean? So this is what I went for. Probably got about, with this top, we probably were close to getting $2,500 into this Jeep. Maybe $2,300 so far spent to date on this since I bought it. We'll add it up later on in another video, you know. All right, so that's it for now. All right, everybody, take it easy. Bye. After looking it up, timing marks, the way they're off centered, I'm thinking maybe that this thing was tuned and maybe, what do you call it? If advanced 25 degrees or something like that. I don't know if they do that on this. First time ever pulling one with the timing on one of these GMs, so there you go. Anyone can help out, that'd be nice. Here's the timing cover. Get a little greasy, huh? This is the one that I missed. Right there. So if you're going to do this, remember there's one hidden in there. Yeah, and that's it. Alright, let's clean up my mess.